What if your money had its mind of its own? What if the government could decide not just how much you spend, but where and when you spend it? This isn't a conspiracy theory about the distant future. It's 2026, and the U.S. Federal Reserve is quietly testing the most powerful financial tool in human history, the digital dollar. But there's a catch. This isn't Bitcoin. It's a central bank digital currency, or CBDC, and it might be the end of financial privacy as we know it. Most people think their money is already digital. After all, you use Venmo, Apple Pay, and credit cards, but there's a massive difference. Today, your money sits in a private bank. If that bank goes bust, the FDIC insures you. But with a CBDC, your account isn't with Chase or Bank of America. It's directly with the Federal Reserve. For the first time in American history, the government would have a direct on-off switch to every single citizen's wallet. No middleman, no privacy. The real danger lies in one word: programmability. Unlike physical cash, a digital dollar can be coded. Imagine a stimulus check that expires if you don't spend it in 30 days, or a limit on how much meat or fuel you can buy to lower your carbon footprint. In 2026, the technology to enforce these social policies through your bank account is already here. If the Fed decides the economy is overheating, they could theoretically freeze your spending power with a single line of code. It's the ultimate tool for social engineering. Why is the US doing this now? Because of the digital yuan. China has already rolled out its CBDC to control its population. To maintain the US dollar status as the world's reserve currency, the Fed feels it must go digital. But at what cost to the Fourth Amendment, the right to be secure in our papers and effects, which in 2026 are our digital transactions? But Americans are fighting back. States like Florida and Texas have already moved to ban CBDCs. The 2024 and 2025 elections were fought on this very ground. The Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act is the most debated bill in Washington right now. The question is, can we have the convenience of a digital economy without the chains of a surveillance state? The digital dollar promises faster payments and lower fees, but it asks for something in return: your anonymity. As we move further into 2026, you have to decide, is the convenience worth the control? Because once the delete button is in the hands of the Fed, there's no going back to cash. What do you think? Is the CBDC a necessary evolution or a digital trap? Drop a yes or no in the comments. And if you want to know how to move your wealth into private assets like